What does she play? She plays the guitar. What does she play? She plays tennis. What does she read? She reads a book. Where does he cook? He cooks in the kitchen. What do they watch? They watch a movie. What does she paint? She paints a picture. Where do they hike? They hike in the forest. Where does he swim? He swims in the pool. Where do they run? They run in the park. What do they play? They play video games. What do they ride? They ride a bike. What does she do? She does yoga. Where does he work out? He works out at a gym. Where does he fish? He fishes in the river. What do they play? They play soccer. Where does he dance? He dances at home. What does she take? She takes photos. What does he do? He skis. Where does he dive? He dives in the sea. Who does she meet? She meets her friends. What do they sing? They sing a song. Where does he surf? He surfs in the sea. What does she ride? She rides a horse. What do they like to do? They like to travel. What does he ride? He rides a motorcycle. Where does he work? He works in the garden. Where do they go? They go to the movies. What do they play? They play chess. Where does she go for a walk? She goes for a walk in the park. What does she have? She has a dog.